Thank you very much. This is part 48. In this part, I am going to explain about differential equation, means integrating factor. Clear? Maximum video I had given about the differential equation. In this video, we have to study about integrating factor. As you know, so many rules for solving the question of differential equation: direct method, separation of variable number, homogeneous differential equation, and this is a integrating factor. So I am going to tell what is the integrating factor. If any differential equation in the form of dy by dx plus py is equal to q. Clear? dy by dx plus py is equal to q, where p and q are the function of x. Clear? Means the value of p and value of q both are the function of x. Understood? And integrating factor if is equal to e power integration of p dx. And what is the required answer? Required answer y into integrating factor is equal to integration of q into integrating factor dx plus c. It is clear? Now this is the answer, required answer. Clear? Now this is a required result. This is a answer. Understood? It means if any equation, any question in the form of any other form, first of all, we will change into dy by dx plus py is equal to q, where p and q both are the function of x, and after that we have to find the integrating factor if, that is called integrating factor. Integrating factor is equal to e power integration of p dx. After that, we have to find the final result, that is y into if is equal to integration of q into if dx plus c. Means we have to integrate this one also here. After that, whatever value will come, this is the answer. Any doubt? Very good. Now, I am going to give the example here. Example number 1. Suppose dy by dx minus y is equal to x into e power x. Clear? Now, first of all, dy by dx minus y is equal to x into e power x. This is a form of dy by dx plus py is equal to q form. Now comparing a given question to this formula, that is p is equal to minus 1 and q is equal to x into e power x. Now integrating factor is equal to e power p into dx, that is e power, what is value of p? Minus 1 and dx is equal to what? Now what is the integration of minus 1? Means e power minus x. Clear? 1 means x and e power minus x. Clear? Now this value we have to put in this formula. Therefore, y into e power minus x is equal to q means what? Q means x into e power x into IF means e power minus x dx plus c. Once more, y into integrating factor, that is y into e power minus x is equal to integration of q into IF means x into e power x into e power minus x. E power minus x is the value of integrating factor. Now here y into e power minus x is equal to e power x into e power minus x cancel dx plus c. Now y e power minus x is equal to x means what is the integration of x? Means x square by 2 plus c. Clear? Now if you want to write here, then y is equal to what? X square e power x upon 2, clear? Plus e power x into c. Now this is required by means multiply by both the side e power x, cancel here e power x into x square by 2 plus e power x into c. Any doubt? Any problem? Very good. This is example number 1. If any question is given, first of all given question has to change into this form dy by dx plus py is equal to q. After that, comparing given question to this, we will find the value of p and q. Both are the function of x. And after that, we have to find integrating factor is equal to e power p dx, that is e power minus x. At last, we will put the value of e power means integrating factor into y into e power minus x, q means x into e power x into e power minus x, that is x. Integration of x means what? X square by 2 plus c. Now this is the answer. It is example number 1. Clear? Now see example number 2. This question number 2 here. Clear? Question number 2. X into dy by dx plus y is equal to x cube. Are you understanding? Very good. X into dy by dx plus y is equal to x cube. Now given question has to change into this form. You can see here there is what is the coefficient of dy by dx is only 1. Here x. How we can make here 1? Then both the side divide by x. It means dy by dx plus y by x is equal to x cube by x. Means what? Dy by dx plus y by x is equal to x square. Now p is equal to 1 by x and q is equal to x square. Clear? Comparing this question to this form, p means 1 by x and q is equal to x square. Comparing only. After that, integrating factor is equal to e power p into dx, e power, what is value of p? 1 by x dx is equal to what? E power integration of 1 by x is equal to what? Log of x. Clear? Then log of x. Now this is value of x. One more formula, e power log fx. Base is equal to what? Only fx. Therefore e power log x, here base is already here, means this value is only x. Clear? Therefore y into integrating factor is equal to q into integrating factor dx plus c. Y into what is value of integrating factor, that is x. What is value of q? Q is equal to x square into x dx plus c. And yx is equal to x cube dx plus c, then x power 4 by 4 plus c. Clear? Now y is equal to what? Here x cube by c sorry, by 4 here, this is 4 here, by 4 plus c by x. Now this is a answer, this is a value of given differential equation. How this x divided by both the side, x power 4 by x, x cube, c by x is only c by x. Understood? Now, if any question in this form, dy by dx plus py is equal to q form, and we have other formula means like this one, in the place of y, if we can write x, clear? In the place of y, we can write x. It means this is the first form. Second form means if any question in this form dx by dy plus ps is equal to q, and where p and q, clear, are the function of y. Understood? Here dy dx, here dx by dy, here py, here px is equal to q, and p and q both are the function of x, but here p and q are the function of y. And what is the integrating factor? Is equal to e power p into dx means dy, and required answer is what? X into integrating factor is equal to q into integrating factor and dy plus c. Clear? Now you can see here, you can check in both the formula. Understood? You can check both the formula. First one is the if dy by dx plus py is equal to q, where p and q both are the function of x, and for this value integrating factor is equal to e power p dx, means integration of e power p. Required answer is y into if is equal to q into if dx plus c. But in the second portion, second part, only change the value of y and x, means replace x by y and y by x. Clear? Then required answer x into if is equal to integrating factor, means integration of q into if dy plus c. I am going to tell one other question, means second question, second example based on second condition, second formula. Clear? Now see here, question number 3 here, y dx, clear, plus x minus y square dy is equal to 0. Now y into dx is equal to minus x minus y square dy. Y dx is equal to minus multiply y square minus x and dy. Now this question we have to change into this form. Divide by dy both the side. Y dx by dy is equal to y square minus x. Now divide by y both the side. Dx by dy is equal to y square by y minus x by y, and dx by dy plus x by y is equal to y. Clear? Now here p is equal to what? 1 by y, and q is equal to what? Y. Therefore, integrating factor e power p into dy is equal to e power p, means 1 by y, dy is equal to e power. What is the integration of 1 by y? 1 by y means log of y, that is y. Clear? Therefore, required answer is integrating factor into x is equal to integrating factor into q dy plus c. Understand? Good. What is value of if? y into x is equal to y into what is the value of q? Q means y dy plus c, and xy is equal to y square dy plus c is equal to y cube by 3 plus c. Then x is equal to what? Y square by 3 plus c by clear. Now this is next example, third example. This is based on second formula. It is clear. Means with the help of both the formula, this is first and second. First of all, try to do any questions which is dependent on integrating factor, and with the help of first condition. If we are not able to get, we are not able to do in proper form, after that we can try, we can use second formula. Clear? Now see the next example. This is question number 4. In this question also we have to find the differential equation. X plus 2y cube dy by dx is equal to y. Clear? First of all, x plus 2y cube is equal to what? Dx upon dy into y. Now dividing by y both the side. X by y to y square is equal to dx by dy. Means what? Dx by dy plus 2y square is plus xy plus x by y. Clear? Either we can write here dx by dy is equal to 2y square plus x by y here. Clear? Now what we have to do? This term number transfer this side. Dx by dy minus x by y is equal to 2y square. Now this questions compare to dx by dy plus what? Px is equal to q. Clear? Now x is cancelled and p is equal to minus 1 by y and q is equal to 2y square. Therefore, integrating factor is equal to e power p into dy. E power p means what? Minus 1 by y dy is equal to e power minus 1 by y dy is equal to e power minus log of y is equal to e power log of y power minus 1, that is y power minus 1, it means 1 by 1. Clear? Very simple. This is integrating of e power p dy, that is e power minus 1 by y dy minus 1 by y means log y, n log m. N log m. Do you know? N log m is what? Log m power n. Minus 1 log y means y power minus 1 here. That is 1 by y. Now required answer is what? Integrating factor into x is equal to integrating factor into q dy plus c. What is the integrating factor? 1 by y into x is equal to 1 by y into what is the value of q? 2y square dy plus c. Then x by y is equal to cancel and 2y dy plus c. X by y is equal to what? 2y square by 2 plus c. Cancel here. X is equal to y cube plus c into 2y. Now this is answer. Here. Integration of y means y square by 2 to cancel. Then this y multiply by this side is y into y square, y cube, y into c, cy. Now this is answer. And is an every video, after completing is an every video, I have given homework question. Then in this video also I am going to give homework question. Homework question number 1, x square plus 1 dy by dx plus 2xy is equal to 4x square. Second question, x dy by dx plus 2y is equal to x square log x. Question number 3, dy by dx plus y by x is equal to cos x plus sin x by x. the place you will complete, and whatever doubts you have, problem you have, you should note down the copy, separate copy during the live class. You can ask the problem. Okay, thank you very much.